Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to deposit money on Polymarket. Alright, so let's begin. Before you can participate in markets and place predictions, you first need to add money to your account. Once you are logged into Polymarket and on the main dashboard, open your account section, usually found near the bottom right area of the screen. Inside the account menu, you should see options such as withdraw and deposit. Click on deposit to open the available funding methods. You may see multiple ways to add funds, but for this example, we'll use cryptocurrency because it is commonly used and transactions are often processed quickly. After selecting the crypto option, Polymarket will display a wallet address and in some cases a QR code linked to your account. The next step is very important. Copy the wallet address provided by Polymarket and then open your cryptocurrency exchange or wallet app. Choose the same cryptocurrency and carefully select the exact same network shown by Polymarket. Matching the coin and network is critical because sending the wrong cryptocurrency or using an incorrect network can result in funds being lost permanently. After selecting the correct coin and network, paste the copied wallet address into your exchange or wallet. Enter the amount you want to deposit, review all details carefully, and confirm the transaction. Once the blockchain confirms the transfer, the funds should appear in your Polymarket account balance. And that's it. This is how you can deposit money on Polymarket. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.